Hi, I'm Brianna. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do multiplication problems and division problems. We'll start off with the multiplication ones. Okay, so the first problem we will be doing, it's not that hard, will be 100 times 50. So doing this problem, it's like depending on how many bottom numbers will be how many rows you got to do after this. So you just times this number by each 0 by each one of these numbers, then the 5 by each one of these numbers. So you do 0 times 0, and that's 0, and then you do 0 times 0 again, and then you do 0 times 1, and that's 0 again. And then on the second row, you just add an extra 0 just because you don't times it yet. And then you do 5 times 0, and that's 0, and then you do 5 times 0 again, and then you do 5 times 1, and that's 5. That's 5. Then you just add these, and that's 0, and then that's 5. And then you got 5,000. The second multiplication problem we will be doing is 60 times 80. Okay, so with this, you basically do the same thing you did here, except for that these are 2-digit numbers, so you don't have to do as much. You just do 0 times 0 is 0, and then 0 times 6 is 0, and then then after that, you add a 0 like you did right here, and then you do 8 times 0, and that's 0. And then you do 6 times 8, and that's 48.
Yep.
And you got 4,000. Wait, and then you add it. And you got 4,800.